Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, yesterday you were given the task to write and learn the meanings and make sentences of the given words. Now this is the time to give you feedback. Dear students, this is chapter number 11, a great virtue. Words meaning: apologize, repent or say sorry. Harsh, unfriendly. Harsh, unfriendly. Shivering, trembling. Terrible, dreadful. Hesitation, doubt. The students, these are the words. The first word for making sentence is apologize. I have made the sentences for you. My friend apologized me for his mistake. Sentence number 2. Harsh. He spoke in a high, harsh voice. Sentence number 3. Shivering. I saw an old man shivering with cold. Shivering means trembling, kampna. Terrible. Fourth word is terrible. There was a terrible smell in the kitchen. Next sentence. Hesitation. I asked different questions without hesitation in the meeting. Next word is generous. My teachers have always been generous to me. Next sentence is manage. Last week, our school principal managed a trip to the zoo. And the last word for making sentence is step in. This is the phrase. My uncle very softly allowed me to step in his room. The students, now this is the time to give you homework. The student, this is your homework. This is page number 68. Activities. First activity, answer the following questions. The first question, where did the old man live? Second, who first knocked at his door in the stormy night? Question number 3, how many people were in the hut during that stormy night? Question number 4, did the old man refuse to give shelter to anyone? Question 5, how did the people spend the stormy night in that small hut? And this is exercise activity B, fill in the blanks with prepositions. First sentence, they spent the night standing dash that small hut. Sentence 2, the pious old man moved dash open the door. Sentence 3, who is knocking dash my door. Sentence 4, you would have been dash trouble if I had not helped you. Sentence 5, the old man asked the hunter dash step in. This is activity C and this is the last activity. Choose the correct option. The old man gave the hunter a cup of tea, milk, coffee or juice. How many people could sleep in the hut? 1, 2, 3 or 4. Sentence 3. Who was the second person to knock at the door? The farmer, the hunter, the boy, the woman. Sentence 4. Who stopped the old man from opening the door? The hunter, the farmer, the women, no one. Dear students, this is the last activity to write the antonyms of these given words. The first word is kind, terrible, possible, pious, dry, hot, simple, loud, and the last word is surprised. Okay dear students, now this is the time to say you Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.